Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Kool Aid Slushies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of ice, 1.5 cups of cold water, 1 cup of sugar, and the Kool Aid of your choice. Okay guys, so in my blender, I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of water. Next, I'm going to add my cup of sugar, and I'm also going to be using cherry Kool Aid. I'm going to empty that in there. Just 1 pack. Next, I'm going to add my 4 cups of ice. Now we're just going to blend it together. Okay guys, when you're done, it should look like this. So we're going to go ahead and pour it into our glasses. Okay guys, and here we have it, our Kool Aid Slushies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.